Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and some major coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. After clicking on this link, you can open your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to join Bybit Exchange, then click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds and get $600 bonus absolutely free after depositing these amounts. Let's focus to the chart. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin Tether US 1 hour Binance chart, and in my Telegram post I was told you that Bitcoin may be down to $44,500. Just because of this, I post that I am seeing the double top at the chart. Here you can see this is the double chart and this is the support level currently at $46,000 price level. After breaking this symmetrical triangle towards upside, we see a rejection from that point, which is currently at $49,000 price target. Price level is the level where Bitcoin is rejected, and now it is at $47,100 level. Main question is that what is my next target according to the charts right now. So please friend watch this video complete, because in this video I will definitely going to tell you my next Bitcoin and some important altcoins targets. Here you can see this is the support level currently at $46,000, and after that there is the support level at $44,000 level. I think Bitcoin have to hit this level, and 46. If Bitcoin hold this level, then this is good. Otherwise, Bitcoin will down to this level 44,000, and after that we see a pullback from that level. This is the first scenario I am seeing, and I think that Bitcoin have to hit this zone. 46,000 and 44,000. These are the two levels. We have to watch these levels very, very carefully. And maybe we see some pullback actions from that point, and which is at $46,000 level. And after that, maybe we see upside movement, and maybe Bitcoin will hit for $50,000. My medium duration target, and you can say immediate short term target for the upside is, I told you in my previous video, is at 44,000 price is my next target. But here you can see this is the rejection point, and after that we see a rejection. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently, this is the 1 hour EMA ribbon is supporting Bitcoin as a support level, and if Bitcoin in any case break this EMA ribbon towards downside, which is at $40,100 level, and close over the candle below this will be the indication that Bitcoin might be go to hit $44,000 or maybe $41,000. But I think in bull run we have to expect that Bitcoin have to go up, and maybe we see some rejection from that point, and after that we see a pullback from that point. I think it have to go to hit this, and after that it have to hit 50,000 and maybe $54,000 level. This EMA ribbon is currently very, 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 very important right now. If Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon towards downside, this will be the indication that downtrend is short duration downtrend is on, and maybe Bitcoin is down to will down to $44,500 or $44,000 level. But I think Bitcoin must have to respect this EMA ribbon and have to move towards upside. If Bitcoin moves towards upside, then what is our next targets according to the chart right now? Immediate short-term targets, let me please tell you. We have to calculate this area. Let me please show you. Because this is the support and resistance level of the Bitcoin right now. Once Bitcoin pull back and hit $49,000 level, then our next target will be, here you can see, 51,900 is the next immediate short-term target. We see a pullback from that point, and maybe it will hit 49,000 very soon, and after that it will hit this level, and which is at $51,900 price level. These are two targets currently for me right now. If Bitcoin pull back from that point, which is 46,100 to 46,000 price level, then our next immediate short-term target is 49,000, and our next target is $51,900. These are two targets. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this support zone and break this EMA ribbon towards downside, then definitely it have to hit $44,500 level. These are two targets currently right now for me. Let me please show you my next chart. Here you can see this is very important chart right now. This is the XRP chart. Here you can see this is the XRP 1 hour Bitstamp chart, and here you can see XRP is in this rising channel, and here you can see this is now this support zone for the XRP right now, which is at 51 cents price level, and I think Ripple must have to hold this zone, and after that we may see that Ripple have to hit this target 0.61, or maybe it have to hit this. Let me please show you my big target, I think long duration or medium duration target for the Ripple coin right now. For this I have to turn on the day chart. Here you can see this is the day chart. Here you can see once Ripple break this towards downside and break this level, which is at $0.50 level, then our next bearish target will be 0.33. But I think Ripple must have to hold this and should have to hold this $0.52 price level, and after that definitely it have to hit this level again, and will have to hit $0.75 level, because here you can see this is the very important thing that I am going to tell you. Here you can see very important breakout is done, and here you can see this was the breakout, and let me please remove this, and here you can see this was the downtrend line, and after that we see a pullback, and here you can see Ripple break this towards upside, and let me please tell you my long duration or medium duration target of Ripple coin right now. Please friend, like this video and share this video with all of your friends, because this is very important video, and I will tell you my next price targets of many important coins and Bitcoin too. Here you can see 0.91, you can say 91 cents is my long duration or medium duration target for the Ripple right now, and maybe Ripple is going to hit this within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or maybe within a month, but definitely Ripple have to hit 0.91 price dollars target very soon. Let me please tell you my next chart, which is very important chart, which is Ethereum. Let me please turn on the 4-hour chart. This is the 1 hour of Ethereum chart, and here you can see Ethereum is going to break this zone, downtrend line, and here let me please show you this downtrend line, and let me please show you. This is very important downtrend line. If Ethereum close over the candle below this, this will be the indication that maybe Ethereum have to hit this level very soon, 1700 or 1690. Will be our next target for the Ethereum right now. If Ethereum pull back from that point, and sorry for that, If Ethereum pull back from that point and break this horizontal resistance, and then our next target will be this zone. $1,840 is our next target. Once Ethereum pull back and hit $1,717 price target, this will be the indication that Ethereum is going to hit again $1,840 very soon. But if Ethereum close over the candle below this, and here you can see Ethereum close over the candle below this, this will be the indication that we may see some down action in the price, and this will be the support zone at 1700. Once Ethereum hold this and pull back from that level, then definitely it have to hit this zone, and after that it have to hit this zone and hit this target of 1840. My immediate short-term target for the Ethereum for the upside is 1840, but trend is over, friend, and now currently Ethereum is in downtrend. Immediate short-term, and here you can see this will be the over target 1700. I think Ethereum have to hit 1700, and after that we may see a pullback from Ethereum price, and Ethereum have to hit again 1840. You can trade Ethereum in between these two levels, 1700 and 1840. These are the two levels. Let me please tell you my next chart, which is very, very important chart. This is the EOS chart. Let me please arrange this, because in this video I will definitely going to tell very, very important targets of all important coins, and here you can see. In my last two videos, I was told you that EOS must have to hit this downtrend line. Once EOS broke this downtrend line, then EOS will have to go up, and here you can see we see a breakout from that point, and after that here you can see EOS is currently at currently hit this level, the $4.7 price level, and let me please arrange this, and let me please tell you. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Let me please tell you. This was the trade of approximately 28%. Congratulations to all of you with 10x leverage. This was the trade of 280%. Congratulations to all who took this trade. Let me please tell you my next target for the EOS right now. Let me please arrange this chart. Let me please do this. This is currently the resistance level, resistance point, or resistance level you can say, and this is the support level. I think EOS will have to hit this level, $3.9, and after that maybe it have to definitely it will have to hit this again, and definitely and hit this level 5.4. Currently these are the two targets, $4.6 and $5.4 are my next targets for the EOS right now, but we have to wait. Let me please arrange this chart, and please friends show your support, and please like this video and share this video with all of your friends. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe this channel, because I regularly update and I regularly post videos. And here you can see once EOS pull back from that level and hit $4.7, after that definitely it have to hit $4.4, $5.4. These are two targets right now for me. But if EOS goes down to hit this level, then definitely after that we may see a pullback from that level, and definitely it have to hit this level. Let me please show you my next chart. It is the Litecoin chart. Here you can see, let me please arrange this chart too. Here you can see. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade of 12.18%. In my previous video, I was told you once Litecoin break this level $170, then definitely it have to hit this level, which was $190. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade with 10x leverage. This was the trade of approximately 113%. You gain 130% in this trade. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now main question is that what is the next target for the Litecoin right now for me. Here you can see this is the very important zone for the Litecoin right now. Let me please show you the day chart. This is the day chart, and here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart because this is very important video, and I am going to tell you very important things in this chart in this video. Here you can see this is the Litecoin all-time high, and here you can see this was the downtrend line, and once Litecoin break this downtrend line towards upside and close day candle above this zone, which is $195 price target, then definitely Litecoin have to hit this zone, this all-time high very soon. This is my next medium duration target for Litecoin right now. I am saying that Litecoin, if break this zone and close day candle above 195 price target price level, then definitely it have to hit this zone very soon. 420 or maybe $425. Let me please show you the technical target. This is the technical target. Once Litecoin break $195 price zone with daily candle close, then definitely it have to hit this level. Price target is 600. 600 is my next long duration target for the Litecoin right now. Please note this. This is the target. Let me please show you my next chart, and which is very important chart. It is the Link USD. Let me please arrange this chart, and please stay in the video and please watch this video complete because this is very important video. Sorry for that. Here you can see. In my previous video, I was told you that Link coin must have to break this horizontal resistance, and here you can see Link break this horizontal resistance, and after that Link break this horizontal resistance too. And no, these are the support zone for the for the Chainlink. And congratulations to all who took this trade of, let me please tell you, this was the trade of approximately 10.60%, and here you can see 10.8% you can say, or 10.6% you can say. And many congratulations who took this trade, and this was the trade of with 10x leverage. 100% gain, and you gain 100% in this trade. Now what is the next target for me right now? Let me please tell you. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see this is the double top right now. First top, second top, and it is like a M pattern. Here you can see, if you see closely, this is like a M pattern. And let me please arrange this chart. This is very important zone. If here you can see, we see a pullback from that point, Once Chainlink break this zone, then our next medium duration, sorry to say you, my next immediate short-term down target will be, let me please show you. This is very important zone right now. $27 price target is very important zone currently for the Chainlink right now. If Chainlink hold this zone, this will be very good for the Chainlink. If unfortunately Chainlink break this towards downside, then our next target will be $25.9, and after that maybe we see a pullback. We see a downtrend, and maybe it will hit $25 price target, but it is very early to say. But we have to focus on this level, which is at $27 price level, and here you can see we see a pullback. Our upside target, let me please tell you, our upside target, immediate short term or short duration target is 28.6 is our upside target. And if Chainlink break this down support zone, which is at $27 price level, then definitely it have to hit 25.9, or maybe it have to hit $25 price target. Let me please show you my next chart. This is the ADA USDT. Here you can see. In my previous video, I was told you ADA was in this ascending triangle, and here you can see I put this target, and many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. This was the trade of, let me please show you. %22.4%, you can say 224% with 10x leverage. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now, what is the next target for the ADA Cardano right now? Let me please tell you. Please friends, stay in the video because this is very important video. This is a very important support zone, $0.86 dollars, and after that we see a pullback from that price. And let me please tell you my immediate short-term targets. I think Cardano have to hit this zone again, which is 0.97. After hitting this zone, let me please show you my next target for the Cardano. Here you can see $1.09. You can say $1.09 is our next target for the Cardano right now. These are two targets. First target is 98 cents, and second target is $1.09. These are two targets for the Cardano right now for me. Let me please show you my next chart. Please friends, stay in the video because this is very important video, and please note these targets I am telling you in this video. Let me please show you my next chart. This is the Tron chart, Tron 1 over perpetual and Binance chart. Here you can see. In my previous video, I was told you that Tron must have to hit this target, and many congratulations to all of you who took this trade and Tron hit 0.58, $0.058 dollars, and many congratulations who took this trade of 30%. With 10x leverage, this was the trade of 300%. Many congratulations. Now, what is the next target for me in Tron right now? Let me please show you. Let me please draw some drawings in this chart. This is currently acting like a resistance for resistance level, and this is the support zone. This is the trend line for the Tron, very important trend line. Once Tron break this down trend line, this will be the indication that Tron definitely have to hit 0.044 price target. And this Tron trend line is once Tron break this $0.051 level, this will be the indication that Tron have to hit 0.0448 price target. This is very, very important downtrend line. If Tron break this zone, and definitely then it have to hit this level, but here you can see we saw a pullback, and my next immediate short-term target for the Tron is 0.058. Once Tron break this 0.058 price target, then let me please show you my next target. Please friend, like this video, and please join Binance if you want to trade in Binance, and if you want to trade many altcoins, then please join Binance exchange. And if you want to trade on Bybit, then please go to in this video description where you can find the link of Binance and Bybit exchanges. Both links are in this video's description. Here you can see, let me please show you my next target, which is very, very important. $0.071 is our next medium duration target. I think it Tron have to hit 0.058. After that, it have to hit 0.071. These are two targets right now. But if unfortunately Tron break this downtrend line and hit 0.051, then definitely this will be the indication for us that Tron is definitely going to hit 0.04458. This is the downtrend downside target, and upside targets are to 0.058 and 0.071. Let me please show you my next chart. This is very important chart. This is the Polkadot. Here you can see. Polkadot break this resistance, and this is turning as a support right now. And after that, this will be the resistance point, $25.6 in for the Polkadot. And Polkadot is in this ascending triangle. Once Polkadot reject from that point and close and down this, break this downtrend line, which is at $24 level, then this will be the indication. This is very important downtrend line. Once Polkadot break $24 price level, this will be the indication that Polkadot is going to hit 21.2. But here you can see we see a pullback from that point. Let me please tell you my upside targets for the Polkadot right now. Please friend, like this video and share this video to all of your with all of your crypto family and with all of your crypto friends. $29.97, you can say $30 is our next target for the Polkadot. But for this Polkadot have to hit this level, this zone, have to this resistance level, have to break this resistance level, which is at $25.7. Once Polkadot break this horizontal resistance and close 4-hourly candle above this $25.7, this will be the indication that Polkadot is ready to hit 29.9 or maybe $30 very, very soon. These are currently two targets for the Polkadot right now. First target is 25.68 or you can say 25.7, and second target is 29.9, or you can say $30. And once Polkadot break this downtrend line and close 4-hourly candle below $24 price level, this will be the indication that Polkadot is ready to go down and will hit 21.35. Friends, this is my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. This is not a financial advice or investment advice, because cryptocurrency is always very, very risky. If you want to join cryptocurrency, or if you want to trade, or if you want to invest, then invest or trade at your own risk. I will not responsible for any of your losses. Let me please tell you my next chart, which is very, very important chart, which is the BNB. Here you can see. This is the BNB Binance Coin 4-hour chart, and here you can see BNB is struggling to break this zone, which is 125. Once BNB break this zone, our next target for the BNB $149. Please look at this downtrend line, upside trend line. Once BNB break this zone and break this trend line and close 4-hourly or 1-hourly candle above $125 price level, this will be the indication that BNB is ready to hit this level 149 very, very soon. But if we see rejection from that point, and BNB if fails to break this downtrend line and this resistance level, which is at $125 price level, this will be the indication that maybe price will go down to $107. These are two targets. 107 is the bearish target, and for the for bullish target, it have to hit 125 and close hourly candle above $125 level. This will be the indication that BNB is ready to hit $150 very, very soon. Please focus on these. Please focus on these two targets. First target is 125 and our next target is 149. These are two targets, but if unfortunately BNB moves towards downside, then our next target will be 107. This is the target. Please friends, show your support, and please like this video, and please share this video with all of your friends. Please show your support right now for me. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the 1-inch chart, and here you can see 1 inch was rejected from that point. Is rejected from that point, which is at $6.3, and it was failed to hold this zone, which is 5.57, and now it is going down. I think this is the zone. $4.85 is the zone where we may see a pullback from that point. If 1 inch fails to hold this zone, then our next target is 4.32. If it pull back towards upside, then our next target is 5.57 and 6.3. These are the two targets right now. But in bear case, if it goes down, then our next target is 4.6. Let me please show you my next chart and final chart. This is the Dogecoin chart. Here you can see. This is the Dogecoin chart, and these are currently two resistance levels: 0.0694, 0.0874. These are two resistance levels, and this is the support zone for the Dogecoin: 0.056, 0.047, 0.037. These are the support levels. I think Dogecoin must have to hit this zone, 0.069, and have to break this zone, and have to go to once again 0.085. My next target for the Dogecoin are 0.069 and 0.085. These are two targets currently right now for me. But for this, Dogecoin must have to hold this downtrend line, which is at 0.061. Once Dogecoin close overly candle below this zone 0.06, this will be the indication that Dogecoin may be hit 0.056 or maybe is ready to hit 0.048. Until now, these are the two targets, 0.069 and 0.087. Friends, thanks for the watching, and please like this video and please share this video with all of your friends. Take care.